percentage availability. Okay, so how it is obtained, that we are going to discuss. At least whether this diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
Vinit? Okay. So this is the same diagram I was drawing little bit some time before as a line diagram, but here now the actual microstructure of one product is shown. So there are, okay, I think that so list is not covered here. There are 3 types of carburizing techniques. Let me. There are 3 types of carburizing methods. Let me write here. One is called as pack carburizing. One is called as pack carburizing. You may write with you types of carburizing process. Okay, types of carburizing. One is called as pack carburizing. Second is called as liquid carburizing. Okay, and third is called as gaseous carburizing. This pack carburizing is also called as solid carburizing. Is it clear? 3 types of carburizing processes. Pushpendra?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
3 types. Carburizing processes. 3 types of carburizing processes are there. Pack carburizing, liquid carburizing and gaseous carburizing. That means, in short, the meaning is source of carbon here in case of pack carburizing is in the solid form. Source of carbon. I am talking source of carbon. In case of liquid carburizing, the source of carbon will be in the liquid form, and gaseous carburizing, the source of carbon will be in the gaseous form. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, solid carburizing, the source of carbon will be in solid. That means then we may use some coal or metallurgical, that coal or those coke or different type of such sources which will be placed around the product. Okay, so let us see first one, pack carburizing. Yes, here you can see the pack carburizing. So you are requested to draw this diagram with you, in which I am just trying to tell you that this is your, let me select some blue color. Okay, this is your product which is shown inside. Okay, this is your product. Okay, that product is packed in a one box. Okay, so this outer part, we can say a box. One box is there. Okay, here this is your product. You can mention there. Okay, here it is written also, a sealed steel container. Okay, here it is written also. That box is nothing but a sealed steel container. So in one container, we are keeping our product at the center, and that is then surrounded by a charcoal. Is it clear? Or let me show you with some simple diagram also, no problem. I can show the same thing with a simple diagram. So there will be your one product. Let us say this is your product which is required to be have carburizing all around. Now here we are interested to provide that surface treatment from all sides, up to all the surfaces. That is why, okay, all the surfaces are exposed to, okay, one container is there, and here we will keep our charcoal or whatever it is packed. That's why the name is given pack carburizing. We are packing our product in a carbonaceous material. Materials will be different, and even we are then providing some energizers also, which will speed up the reactions. Pushpendra, is it clear? Now this diagram, simple diagram.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Why it is called as pack carburizing?
Because, sir, it is sealed in a container in which that activated charcoal and that solid part is there.
Our product is packed, is surrounded by activated that charcoal. Okay. That's why a logical name given. Logical name given. And please remember, if all surfaces of the products are exposed to that coal, from all around, the surface hardening will take place. From all around. That means then there is one fourth carburizing method, fourth one, which is called as, in that list itself you can write down there, selective carburizing. Selective carburizing. What may be there in case of selective carburizing? Nikhil?
Sir, like in a particular side you want the hardener, you can perform that.
Yes, okay. If we want a selected surface to be hardened, only there we will expose it to the carbon source. Okay, and only hardness will be achieved to that surface. Okay, is it clear, Pushpendra?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so very good. So now reaction will take place. So no doubt here it is a very time consuming process. Please remember that sometimes we may have to keep this packing for 24 hours also. We have to have that particular arrangement for 24 hours also. That is one drawback of this process. So it is quite time consuming process, and the depth of penetration, that depth of penetration obtained will be very less, up to 1 mm or 1 point. जितना आप ज़्यादा time तक रखोगे, okay, the depth of penetration will go on increasing. Depth of penetration means, let us say this is your, okay, that product, okay, up to how much depth the carbon composition will be changing, that is called as depth of penetration of that carbon. Okay, so जितना आप ज़्यादा time तक रखोगे उतना आपको वो carburizing layer मिलेगा. Okay, it depends on your time also. It depends on time. If you remove it little earlier, then you may find that only 0.5 mm or 0.7 or less than 1 mm thickness of the product has achieved carburizing. Okay, so that is called as depth of carburizing. Anugrah, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are actually many reactions here for this carburizing, but we are not now going in more details of all those reactions. Okay, but depending on requirement, we are providing some heat at that time also, and later on also, after taking out that product, we have to provide heat treatment to that product. Okay, so that whatever that carbon which is deposited there, later on, okay, according to that, it will be during that heat treatment, it will be converted to austenite, and then that austenite will be converted to martensite. Okay, then only that hardness will be achieved. Please remember, only increasing the carbon percentage at the surface will not result into more hardness unless you don't provide the heat treatment there. Okay, so here there are not only this one reaction is shown, but there are many reaction. If required, I will provide you those reaction later on. Okay, so you can see here those small containers. You can then later on keep in one entire furnace. Okay, you can see the microstructure later on. So how much depth of carburization is achieved, that will be seen only through the microscope. Okay, because with the naked eyes on the product we cannot see anything, because as such any separate thickness, any separate material is not deposited there. Only within the product carbon percentage is varied. So that is only possible to understand by observing it under the microscope. Yes, here it is. So heating the steel in austenitic region in contact with that carburizing medium, so that is important. So in that, along with that carburizing medium, we are heating it, so your material will be reaching to that austenitic temperature. So now this is important for you. What is the austenitic region? So this austenitic region will change with respect to carbon percentage. So soaking, that is same processes into room temperature. So same processes. So in the austenitic region, the solubility of carbon is more, and hence this is the reason why the carbon will be diffused there. The carbon from the medium diffuses into the steel, because at that high temperature region the solubility of carbon is high. Otherwise your basic material, earlier it was having, for example, only 0.2% carbon, but at that particular region we are now having that capability, and depending on the time, depth of penetration will be achieved. Yes, here those are mentioned types of carburizing: packed carburizing, gas carburizing, and liquid carburizing. So the same which we had seen, that is mentioned here. So the what will be the carburizing compound? So Pushpendra, this is your answer. In case of packed carburizing, in case of gas carburizing, the source of carbon will be different.
Yes, sir, I get it.
So hardwood, charcoal, coke, many different such sources of carbon will be there. Okay, those will be packed surrounding to your product. Along with that carburizing agent, we are adding energizers also, or accelerator. Those are called as, for example, barium carbonate. This will help to speed up the process, because as we had seen, the process was very time consuming. So now researchers are making an attempt that can we achieve that activity in less time. So such type of concept like energizer, accelerator, these are coming into picture.
Excuse me, sir.
So, yes.
Sir, I had a doubt in like one of the previous slides. Sir, we are saying that we heat it to the austenizing temperature. So, but because we are also carburizing it, so the carbon percentage at the surface and in the bulk of the material will be different. So, on what basis will we decide the austenitic temperature?
Okay. So austenitic temperature will be your basic product. Okay, whatever may be the carbon percentage of your basic product, for that we will choose the austenitic temperature.
Okay.
Hello? suppose your basic product is having 0.2% carbon. Okay, so we will choose austenitic temperature for that 0.2 only,
Okay, sir.
which will be definitely higher temperature. Then suppose later on we want to increase the carbon percentage to 0.3. So definitely for 0.3 percentage, the austenitic temperature is less.
Okay. Yes,
Because
sir.
that slope is there. Try to recall it me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Today this control panel is getting disturbed. Okay. Now you can understand by that. So that's why I was knowing that we will be in need of this diagram many times. Okay. So this line is deciding the austenitic temperature. Is it? So 0.2 will be here. 0.3 will be somewhere here. So we are going for the that austenitic temperature of basic product.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So once let us say it is, for example, 925. So some range we normally pick up 920 because we have to go higher than that. Okay, higher than that. Whatever the temperature present along the line, we have to go above that. Okay, so normally some range is mentioned. So you can see here we are hitting the product up to this 950 degrees Celsius, and by keeping it for 6 to 15 hours, the case depth, what I was talking about, that depth of penetration, the technical word is case depth. The case depth obtained is 1 mm to 2.5 mm. So suppose your product is 30 mm. Okay, suppose your product is 30 mm. So if we keep it for some 10-15 hours, then only for some 2 mm thickness, the carbon percentage will change. Okay, carbon percentage will change. Let us say 0.3% carbon. I hope you are now understanding what is case depth. We will explain what is case depth. Anugrapada, can you mention what is case depth?
Yes, sir. So, like it is the depth up to which the carbon is getting diffused when we are carburizing. Like how deeper can
Yes,
it
so
go in
this
the
is that
product?
case. Yes. This is that case depth. Okay, this is that case depth. Okay, and as we are providing that hardening from all around, so case depth will be obtained from all sides. Okay, the case depth will be obtained from all sides. Saptarshi, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so depending on our requirement, whether we want that case depth for 1 mm, 1.5 mm or 2 mm, 2.5 mm, accordingly we will keep that carburizing time accordingly. But please remember, it is comparatively costly affair. It is comparatively costly affair. But many times to make use of our existing product, because here already our product is as per our dimension, let us say 30 by 100, product हमारा बन चुका है, अभी हमें इसमें कुछ ज्यादा छेड़छाड़ नहीं करना है, only inside we are changing the microstructure. Okay, so product dimensional stability will not be affected by that. Your product dimension will remain as it is. That is the major difference here. निखिल, अब समझ में आ रहा है कुछ?
Yes, sir.
मतलब प्रोडक्ट आपने पहले से ही 30 बाय 100 का बना के रखा है, वो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट जो डायमेंशन है उसके स्टेबिलिटी में हम कुछ अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट उसके इनसाइड में माइक्रो स्ट्रक्चर में हम कार्बन परसेंटेज से खेल रहे हैं. इज इट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in coating technique, initially we will make the raw material 2 mm in less size. 2 mm हम छोटे साइज का बनाएंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Got it.
और उसके ऊपर 2 mm की कोई लेयर डिपॉजिट करेंगे. यहाँ पे हम कार्बन जो है डिफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, बट कोई सेपरेट एलिमेंट ऐसा कोई डायरेक्टली हम ऐसे उसकी लेयर डिपॉजिट नहीं कर रहे. यहाँ पर वो कार्बन डिफ्यूज हो रहा है आपके बेसिक प्रोडक्ट के अंदर. नरेश, इज इट ओके?
यस सर, यस सर.
ओके, आप एक बार पैक कार्बोराइजिंग भी समझ जाओगे तो गैस और लिक्विड कार्बोराइजिंग समझने में आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि वहां पे सिर्फ सोर्स ही बदल रहा है. Vinit, is it okay?
Yes, sir, it's fine now.
What is case depth, Vinit?
Case depth is the depth at which that carbon, like the diffusion of carbon will take place with that particular material.
Okay, so how we will decide case depth?
So that varies on how much time you heat that particular material. The longer you heat, the more the case depth will increase.
Yes, very good. Okay, so already we as a designer or we as a production engineer, we know that we are in need of 2 mm case depth. So we will set up the parameters accordingly.
Yes.
Okay, so normally this pack carburizing is the method which gives thick case depth. Okay, relatively thick case depth. That means in other cases, this much case depth will not be obtained. Okay, like this 1 mm, 2.5 mm इतना नहीं मिलेगा. बाकी जो दूसरी मेथड्स है उसमें आपको जो केस डेप्थ है कंपैरेटिवली कम मिलेगा. Anugrah Pata, any doubt now?
Sir, since in this case the case depth is going to be maximum, so the time taken will also be more, no, compared to other methods.
In other cases also, even though the case depth upgrade will be less, but it will take more time. Those other processes also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so but again it will depend on so many parameters. Okay, how much energizers you have added, what is the temperature, okay, what is the quality of that carburizing medium, and how much complex that product is. The time depends on so many parameters. So whatever this time range I am showing, it is a general time range. Okay, it will vary from product to product, but definitely it will be in huge hours. This much you can understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir, understood.
Anugrah Pada, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. One good beauty of pack carburizing is it provides you uniform case depth. Okay, that uniformity of carbon content. The carbon content which will be varied in the product, that will be having uniformity. This please understand. That means in other cases, there may be chances that the carbon which will be diffused, that will not be uniformly diffused. There are chances in other cases it may be uneven also. तो वो आपको माइक्रो स्ट्रक्चर से पता चलता है. Okay, so let me show you some. Yes, here. Now you can see here. Even if you change the temperature, you can see here. This graph is very interesting. Please try to understand this graph. For a fixed time, for example, if we fix the time and if we increase the carburizing temperature, higher case depth will be obtained with increase in temperature. So either you have to increase the temperature or accordingly you have to fine tune the other parameters. So please draw some sample diagrams with you. Those will be useful to you for your understanding also. And maybe if some question comes in the exam, you can explain it with some statistical diagrams. Now, in case of gas carburizing, the major difference is the source of carbon medium will be in the gaseous form. Okay, for example, now here there will be one chamber. Okay, there will be one chamber and we will keep our product at the center. Okay, and then there will be some nozzles available. Okay, there will be some nozzles available through which you will circulate the gases like ethane, methane, those CH4, okay, or those typical gases, okay, which are rich in carbon. Those will be circulated all around. Okay, so here that carbonaceous gases will come in contact with your product at high temperature, and accordingly then the carbon will go on diffusing inside the material. So the gaseous medium will be used in this case. Ethane, methane or such carbon rich mediums will be used here. Palendra, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pushpendra, is it okay?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay. So these are some such medium which are used in case of gas carburizing. Accordingly, the chamber will be used to keep your product. We'll design the chamber as per the product size. So carbon rich mediums will methane, ethane, these are some such. Okay, so costs are different for these gases. Accordingly, we will make use. So you can here the case depth obtained is in the range of 0.2 to 0.5 mm. And yes, here the time will be mentioned 1 hour, 2 hours. But yes, if we increase the time to some extent, then the case depth will be increased, but it will not cross more than 1 mm normally. So some important glimpses I am providing you. Please try to understand this. Himanshu Revaria. So I am trying to just take the name. Okay. Harshal Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? A carbonaceous fused salt bath medium will be used, in which we will immerse the steel component. So that carbonaceous fused salt bath, it consists of, you can note down that composition. But again, okay, these are the options available. Whether to use these methods or not, it is up to our requirement. But as a part of our syllabus, we are trying to understand all these methods. Okay, but it doesn't mean all these methods are used by industries. So here, sodium cyanide, sodium carbonate, okay, that sodium carbonate is written again. Okay, alkaline earth salt of barium, that is used here. So please, okay, that sodium carbonate is written again. Don't write again and again there. So being we are making use of that sodium cyanide and we are immersing our product in that solution. Okay, there are some precautions required to be followed here. We have to clean the product very carefully, because otherwise if the traces of cyanide remains on the product, that may create some other side effect to the worker who is handling that product, because we know the cyanide is very difficult, okay, in nature. It will some reactions, all are aware about it. So case depth obtained 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm for 1 hour or so, or more than that, around 900 degrees Celsius. So important word which you are remembering here is case depth. Please try to remember this term, case depth. Whereas in case of our coating technique, we will now shift after some time, maybe next lecture, coating techniques. There we will talk coating thickness. Here we are calling it as case depth. That is a depth up to which the composition of the material is changing. Yes, this precaution, please note down this precaution. Later on nitriding also, same precautions one need to follow. The sodium cyanide is highly poisonous. That salt bath which is prepared, okay, some fumes are generated. One need to be very careful during such things. Cleaning of those complex component is very essential. Please note down such keywords with you in case of liquid carburizing, because its composition is made up of with 2-3 different materials: sodium cyanide, sodium carbonate, alkaline earth salt. Now selective carburizing, as sometime before we discussed, selective carburizing means we are achieving the carburizing to the selected portion of that component. Okay, for example, okay, let me, okay, that control panel is hiding frequently. For example, one product is there. Okay, in that product, let us say we want carburizing only at this region. Let us say only at this region. Let us say only at this region. For example, there some impact might be coming. The product nature is like that. Okay, let us say some keyways are there, some slots are there, or some such things are there, that some typical impacts might be coming. Let us say, okay, here we are in need of carburizing. Okay, so then why to provide carburizing to the entire surface? Okay, that is called as selective carburizing. Pushpendra, is it okay?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay, there are many products where we want only hardness at selected portion. तो फिर बाकी इसको क्यों देना है? Okay, maybe other part may be in need of some toughness, okay, or some other property. Only at that selected portion some impact might be coming. Let us say, okay, आपका तो कुछ टर्बाइन ब्लेड होती है या ऐसे कुछ होगा जहां पर वो इम्पैक्ट कुछ पर्टिकुलर जगह पर ही फ्रिक्वेंटली आ रहा है. आपको पता हो रहा है कि यही पोर्शन आपका फ्रिक्वेंटली वियर आउट हो रहा है. You are understanding that only small portion is frequently wearing out. आप कोई भी component देखिए, वो आपको ऐसा पता चलेगा after its regular use. You will come to know that only at certain portion the product wear out is taking place, जिसकी वजह से आपको पूरा product को discard करना पड़ रहा है. तो then you decide to go for selective carburizing. Is it okay, Anugraha? Example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naresh, example is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saptarshi. Vinit,
Yes, sir. So it's fine, clear, sir.
example is okay? That one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But now here some change will be there. Let us say we are going for pack carburizing only, but now some trick we have to apply. क्या हो सकता है logically यहाँ पर? Because we want to only expose that portion to the carburizing medium. तो क्या trick क्या हो सकती है यहाँ पर?
You can wrap around some aluminum.
We will cover those portions
Okay,
which we don't want to carbonize.
Okay, yes, very good, Pushpendra. Vinit, you are also saying something. Can you please repeat?
Sir, I was saying to cover it with some aluminum sheet or something to the area where you don't want to do.
Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so the portion where we don't want, that carbon to be diffused, that portion we have to cover. Okay, by some refractory paste of higher clay. That is important. Please note down this with you. A thin layer of copper or a layer of refractory paste, so that there the carbon will not be diffused. So it is very much similar to pack carburizing, but we are covering the portion where we don't want carburizing. So वहां पर आप पैक करके रखने वाले हैं आइदर कॉपर मटेरियल से या फिर, एंड लेटर ऑन वी विल रिमूव दैट कवर आफ्टर आवर वर्क इज डन.